How to disassemble Nintendo DS Lite? Here are step-by-step instructions for disassembling a Nintendo DS Lite. 1. Make sure the DS is powered off and any cartridges are removed. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver. 2. Flip over the DS and remove the battery cover on the back by sliding it downward and lifting it away. This will expose the screw securing the backplate. 3. Using your screwdriver, remove the 5 screws holding the backplate in place, 2 upper left, 2 lower right, 1 middle. Then carefully slide the backplate downward and lift it off. 4. Remove the 2 screws securing the stylus holder on the right hinge. Lift up the stylus holder to remove it. 5. Open the DS Lite all the way flat. Then slide both shoulder buttons out from their places on each side near the hinges. 6. Carefully push the hinge inward a bit on each side to detach the front housing. Lift the front housing up completely to expose the internal components. 7. Refer to a teardown guide if you want to remove specific components like the motherboard, buttons, or screens. Make sure to carefully disconnect any ribbon cables still attached to parts you remove. To reassemble, reverse the process by connecting all ribbons cables, securing components in place, closing up the 2 housing shells and replacing all screws and parts on the outer shell like the backplate. Take care when reassembling hinges and casing.